questions about this problem, number 36, from the 1.1 homework, which this problem you can find it on page 11. So we have to remember that the rules of math are always going to be the same. And we have this right triangle with a leg of x, a leg of x minus 1, and the hypotenuse of 5. So this triangle follows the same rule of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The important thing being that the left side has the legs and the right side has the hypotenuse. So let me substitute in the values. Let's substitute. Okay, I'm going to just put the x in for a, so x squared plus x minus 1 squared equals 5 squared. X squared, now we practice binomials becoming trinomials, so you should go back to your skills review. What does x minus 1 times x minus 1 with distributive property? Okay, so we're going to bring that over. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything on the left side because that way I'll be able to factor. And I'm going to subtract the 25 from both sides. And that gives me minus 24 equals 0. Now, this problem you can divide to make this an easier problem. There's a factor of 2 in each number. I'm going to divide everything by 2, and that brings it down to x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. That step wasn't totally necessary, but it is really helpful. Now I just want to factor. All of the problems in this textbook will be factorable. And so what times what makes an x? X times x. 12 can be a 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. But which one, when the signs are different, and the difference needs to be a -1. So this one here, when you subtract the 3 and the 4, you get a -1. So I will put the 3 here and the 4 here. And then I just need to decide where the negative is going to be. And in order to get a negative x, I'll have to put the minus between the x and the 4 and the plus here. And that would use distributive property. You would get back to x squared minus x minus 12. So that tells me that x equals -3 and x equals 4. But of course, this is a triangle, but not in the coordinate plane. So the only answer that matters is the x equals 4.